Now open 3 questions, and I would urge everyone on the panel to react to these 3 questions. I'll start with you, Nooresh, and these 3 questions are simple. Market reaction in these 3 scenarios. Clear majority. What happens to what do you see the market reaction?
Up.
No, up to hoga hi, but how much?
Closer to 23,000 or 23,200.
23?
23,000 to 23,500.
Okay, so not like a sizable rally.
Not really. You're not looking at a 10% circuit type moves which have happened in 2009.
Weak majority?
Still we'll be up. We may not go to 23,500, we'll be at 22,800.
Loss? Change of government?
Change of government, I think it is not in the picture as of now. If that happens, we've seen 20 years back, 2004. But the fact remains, we are only looking at India. 2004, 17th May, 8 out of 10 markets across the world were down because of our Indian elections. No, the trend was down. So as of now, the most important part is the trend across the world is up.
Such a great point. Kunal, 3 scenarios, clear majority, weak majority, change of government.
So the markets are very pessimistic so far, and I think in that context, if there is a clear majority, I would expect maybe a 8 to 10% rally from current levels.
On the index alone, that day, June 4th. Wow.
Okay. Haji, you want to beat him? 8 to 10% is the hurdle now.
But I think 8 to 10% looks improbable because that continuity is something which is expected in a way.
So clear majority, weak majority, change of government.
What is weak majority? Majority is majority. So in my view, 400 seats is
Like
negative.
sub 300 types.
I don't like a 400 majority. So if 400 majority, I wouldn't be long-term positive for India. But 280 to 320 kind of number, I am very comfortable with, and I think that's positive for India. And markets will rally because of that. How much? Maybe because markets have not fallen so much, maybe 1-2% immediately. But then the trend the trend will not get broken. If the government changes, I think on a one-day dip could be as much as 15% also. But I think the bottoming will happen because of fundamentals, etc. sometime soon. After
Sanjiv, is the market pricing that in at all, a sub 300 figure for the current government?
No, I think market is clear that there will be 320 to 340, and it's sanguine. And like you all asking, it depends on where we are on 3rd of June. If we are already at 23,000, then it leaves very little on the upside, because there will be one camp which is going to be on the struts to buy or re-enters, and the other will take the opportunity to sell. On the other hand, if there is no majority, then there can be a slam dunk, which will be expected because the pace of reform. But I think what has happened, Aisha, is Indian markets have become mature, and the retail investor is a sign of maturity. So any exuberance or despair is going to be short-lived. That is what we are saying. We are going to be on global macros, earnings, and global cues. But Indian investor is mature. The markets have become much more sanguine. I don't see runaway rallies or runaway falls.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.